Justin has new toys again. Junior Racers. Pull back power. It's for ages 3 and up. So Justin, look at your new toys. What you got here? What you got? A truck with a crane.
This model and this model.
What is that? Is it an excavator?
No.
It's an Oh no! It's a truck hauling an excavator. Oh my, you're coughing a whole lot. And
You
then
can at the back.
is
You can at the back.
Justin. So cute. You have a lot of bruises on your legs.
The truck.
Ready to open it? Go open it. Already opened it. Look at Justin. You already opened it right away. Whoa! There it is. There they are. So those two trucks are hauling some construction vehicles. A crane and an excavator. Whoa! It extends out. Cool. Do they usually make those noises, Justin?
No.
No? Those are just you? You're just pretending? Awesome! You want to take him out of that box?
Yes.
Go for it. Oh, I see screws. Daddy, come help Justin. Daddy's coming with his handy dandy screwdriver so we can play with those toys. Oh yeah. Justin, it's not gonna work that way. You need a tool, a handy dandy tool. Take those things out. It's there somewhere.
Ah!
Whoa! You're upside down now! Hey Justin, do you like construction vehicles?
Yes.
Yes, what's your favorite one?
No.
Which one? All of them? That's a good answer. All of them are so cool. And fire engines too. That's the coolest of all the cool vehicles, right?
And
Land vehicles.
the truck.
Oh, tow trucks. Look at that box. Okay. We're finally getting those screws out of the way. Cool. Are you collecting those, Justin? Yeah? The last one is out. Dun 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 dun! Woohoo! Nice!
Here comes the birds.
Ooh, the flatbed! Awesome, what you got there? Do they come off? Do they come off, Justin?
No.
No, they're stuck?
Yeah.
Okay, don't try to like manipulate it too much, it might break. Woohoo! Pull them back! I wanna see them go. Go, Justin! Pull them back! We're gonna race now! Who's gonna win? Mommy will get the blue one. And you get the
I did
red
these
one.
ones.
So we're ready to race! Red versus blue. Are you ready?
Ready, set, go!
Okay. Go get your blue one. 1, 2, 3. Go! Woo! Mine won. What's this truck doing here? Let's get it out of the way.
No, this one is
Oh, the one that's... Okay. The flag wavers, that one? Okay, ready, Justin? Grab your blue one. Ready, set, pull it back, and go! Woohoo! Did I win? Who won? Woo! It's early in the morning, and here we are, already racing. Who won, Justin?
me!
Woohoo! Jump! What are you doing? Come on,
Let's
come on,
do
come on.
it
Let's race again. Ready? Pull it
No,
back.
no, not it.
Okay. You cannot see. Pull it back. And release. Go. Woohoo. Oh my. Oh, who won? Who won? Woohoo!
I want the race.
I guess you won.